As the Water and Sewerage Authority continues to seek ways of enhancing our operations, the acquisition of 2 fully loaded truck-mounted CCTV systems will increase our sewer pipeline inspection capacity. Let's find out more about this latest addition to our equipment resource.
My name is Ricky Ramdan. I'm from Wastewater Projects Department in Warsaw. I'm here basically to give you a bit of information about these 2 CCTV units that we recently procured. In the past, the government of Trinidad and Tobago and Warsaw were able to secure a loan from the IDB, which is the Inter-American Development Bank, for a wastewater rehabilitation program. Part of the proceeds of that loan is the provision for sewer inspection equipment, where there's 2 phases. One phase is the delivery phase, and then the second phase is what you would consider the after-sale maintenance period or phase. The vehicles were already delivered, so you can say that the first phase is completed. It was delivered in June of this year, and presently we are finalizing the after-sale maintenance period.
Now that we've heard about the project, let's get on board. The CCTV enclosure consists of 2 rooms. We'll start with the control room. The control room houses the interface for the CCTV system. When the camera is deployed on the ground, the joysticks provide full control and is guided using 2 monitors. A third monitor offers a 360-degree view around the truck exterior. This monitor affords the operator the ability to navigate the immediate environment, thus guiding the driver to the most suitable location to begin the exercise. The driver and operator communicate using an onboard wireless radio system. The second room houses the operational equipment. Let's have a look.
Most of the infrastructure are basically under the road surface. In order to enter these networking systems, you have to go through a manhole. You have your lateral camera here, and then you have your main camera here. So these cameras could be able to inspect pipelines from 6 inches all the way up to 60 inches, and it could traverse approximately 200 meters or about maximum 1,200 feet.
The newly acquired equipment will support the authority's sewer inspection program for the San Fernando and Malabar wastewater projects. This is yet another testimony of our commitment to mobilize all possible resources to improve our service delivery to you, our valued customer.